Prudent News, now look at the headlines. Sreesanth enjoyed at Ashmere Beach with a British girlfriend. Didn't play 3 out of 4 Ranji one-dayers in Goa. Delhi police continue their search in Vasco. Some say 2 Goan politicians are on their radar. Discussion on Prime Ministerial candidate not on BJP's agenda of National Executive. Team of central leaders arrives in Goa to take stock of the situation. Margao colleges face admission crunch. Damodar colleges cut-off touches 90%. Rosary seats filling fast. Around 300 students may not get admissions in the vicinity if Chogale High Secondary doesn't start admissions. Applications received for the post of Chief Information Commission, 27 applications received for the post of State Information Commission. And Kishore Naik-Gaonkar, new president of Goa Union of Journalists, new executive committee also elected on Saturday. Now news in detail. Sreesanth, who is presently stuck in the IPL match-fixing muck, was having a good time with a British girl when he was in Goa for Ranji tournament. Sreesanth was holidaying at Ashmere after skipping 3 Ranji matches in Goa. GCA Secretary Dr. Shekhar Sarkar has agreed of knowing this fact. Delhi police suspect Sreesanth of having mega investments in Goa. The team is leaving no stone unturned to unearth Sreesanth's Goan wealth. Team of Delhi police are hunting the bookies in Vasco and have confirmed that Sreesanth had a very good relationship with a Goan cricketer.
Team of Delhi police is still hunting for bookies in Goa and they scrutinize every possible place in Vasco. Operation Search Bookies of Delhi police was on at Vasco on Saturday. Sources informed. Team of Delhi police hunting for bookies continues on Saturday. Investigation still going on. Can't reveal anything, says police. Delhi police team discussed IPL Goa links with state top cops. More importantly, team of Delhi police is searching for Sreesanth's Goa connection in IPL betting case. Police doubt that Sreesanth has invested his betting money in Goa. Sreesanth had come to Goa for Ranji one-dayer. He might have made his investment in Goa during this period. Sreesanth did not play 3 matches out of 4. He was staying at Ashmere when he skipped Ranji matches in Goa. Sreesanth was having a ball of time with a British girlfriend at Ashmere. Sreesanth shares cordial relationship with a Goan cricketer.
फाटले दिसांनी श्रीशांत गोंयान आशिल्ले पण ते मॅची खेळना तिज्यो बानगडी जाल्यो हांगसर गर्लफ्रेंड घेवन भोंवतालो कितें तुमकां हेज्या बाबतींत कितें खबर आहा कितें जाल्लें
वन डे मॅचीस आशिल्ल्यो हांगा म्हणजे साउथ झोनाच्यो सगळ्यो म्हणजे ही प्लेड ओनली वन मॅच ही हॅड अ फायट एक तो खेळ्ळो एक मॅचीक ताची झगडी जाली ही वॉज फायंड बाय द ऑब्जर्वर 2 मॅचीस ही डीड नॉट कम एट ऑल फॉर द मॅच आनी आमकां तेन्ना दिसलें की तो एक कोण ब्रिटीश गर्लफ्रेंड हाणें हाडिल्ली. With her, he was staying somewhere in Ashwe or Morjim. So he was not to be seen at all here. So he was there with some girlfriend. When the girlfriend connection is still definitely was there.
तुमकां दिसना हो एंगल इन्वेस्टिगेट जावं जाय सद्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू आहा.
No, I think the investigation has to be done because see we don't. I mean, I sound like GCA doesn't have any investigating authority. Neither we have got machinery to do that. I think that but police has to go in this angle also. Goa is very good for investment and especially हे नंबर 2 चे पैसे असतात म्हणजे which are not accountable. That real estate in घालपाक is the easiest way and Goa I think is a good target because तांचे पैसे आमचे appreciation is very good in Goa. So most likely हे सगळे हांगा खंय ना खंय तरी आसतलेच investment.
Amidst this whole IPL match fixing chaos and hullabaloo, Prudent caught up with former ICC and BCCI chairman and Union Minister Sharad Pawar, who is in Goa with his family for holidays. Prudent asked Pawar to react on the IPL sham, but he refused to comment and evaded the question. In between, the word was out that Delhi police would be arresting 2 Goan politicians in the IPL betting case. but nothing happened till late evening. But Goa police and Delhi police have refused to comment on this development. With bureau inputs, Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
Finalizing the Prime Ministerial candidate will not be on the agenda of the BJP during its National Executive meeting in Goa. General Secretary of the BJP JP Nanda and Media Coordinator Shrikant Sharma were in Goa for monitoring the preparations of the National Executive meeting scheduled on 7 June. Meeting will be presided by BJP National President Rajnath Singh.
Bharatiya Janata Party National Executive meeting will begin from 7 June to 9 June. BJP will discuss various strategies on cornering Congress party during the Lok Sabha election. On Saturday, General Secretary of the BJP, JP Nadda, Media Coordinator Shrikant Sharma, State President Vinay Tendulkar, along with office bearers visited the meeting venue. Briefing media at the party headquarters in Panji, JP Nadda informed that failure of the UPA government will be majorly highlighted during the 3-day National Executive meeting.
Discussion will center around the failures of the UPA government, and the major issue will be the slowdown of the economy, inflation. The center of the discussion will be corruption and the new trend which the UPA government has developed is the attack on the constitutional bodies.
Commenting on the issue of Prime Ministerial candidate of the BJP, Nadda informed that this issue is not included in the agenda of the meeting. Decision in this regard will be taken by the Parliamentary Board.
National Executive is not the body where it is going to be discussed and decided. It is the Parliament. It is the Parliamentary Board. It is the Parliamentary Board. It will be, when the right time will be there, it will be decided.
क्या मोदी जी होंगे या लाल कृष्ण आडवाणी इसके बारे में?
देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि ये समय आने पर इसकी सही लोग इसके बारे में उत्तर देंगे. I am not being cautious. I am not. No. It's not a question of being cautious. It is a matter of strategy.
सर 4 दिन पहले सबने ओपिनियन पोल में रिपोर्ट किया था कि अगर आप मोदी जी को प्रमोट करेंगे तो भी बीजेपी पावर पे आएंगे. क्या आप इससे सहमत नहीं हैं इस रिपोर्ट?
देखिए, इस विषय पर तय करना राष्ट्रीय पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड का विषय है. इस पर हम व्यक्तिगत मत देना हमारा काम नहीं है. पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड उचित समय पर उचित निर्णय ले लेगी.
On 7 June, National Office Bearers meeting will be held, and on 8th and 9th National Executive meeting will be held in Goa. 340 delegates will attend the National Executive meet. Representatives from states and union territories will be present for the meeting. Contribution of the BJP ruling state government to Indian economy will also be discussed during the meet. BJP has also planned Jail Bharao Andolan from 27th May to 2nd June against the UPA government. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
The capacity of admissions for 11th standard in Margao and its surrounding areas has exhausted within 2 days of SSCE results. One of the leading science colleges in the state, Damodar College, has exhausted its forms for admissions. Cut-off percentage for admissions have also gone up to 90%. Now, if Chogale management stays adamant on the closure of their higher secondary, then around 300 students seeking admissions will be left in a lurch. A special report.
In spite of strict warning from the state government, Chogale Higher Secondary has not yet commenced admissions. The last batch of 11th pass out is allowed to get admitted right now. Chogale management is planning closure of their higher secondary section from academic year 2013-2014. The matter is sub judice at present. If Chogale shuts down its higher secondary wing, then 300 students will face problem of admission in the vicinity of Madgaon. Closure of 11th standard admission in Chogale Higher Secondary has made an impact on other higher secondary schools in Madgaon. Damodar Higher Secondary had kept a cutoff of 80% in the general category for 11th standard admissions, but their 100 forms are already taken by the students, securing 90% and above. Damodar Higher Secondary has a capacity to absorb only 110 students. The cutoff percentage has literally gone up to 90%.
ना असे पर्संटेज खास अशें आमी कांय दवरले ना, पूण आमी रश चड जावं नयो अशें म्हणून 80% वयर जनरल कॅटेगरीच्या पर्संटेज आहा तांकां फॉर्म इश्यू केल्ले. तरी आसतना खूब गर्दी जाली आनीक रिजर्व कॅटेगरी आमगेली रिस्ट्रिक्शन पर्संटेज कांय नासलें. आतां सद्या आमचे कडेन 90% वयर स्कोर केल्ले 100 वयर फॉर्म वेल्ले कडेन आसात आनी जनरल कॅटेगरी फक्त 67 सीट आमचे कडेन आसात आनी बाकीचे ते रिजर्व कॅटेगरी पडटात. म्हणटकीर आमचें आतां कितली पर्संटेज एडमिशन बंद जातलें. आय थिंक इट इज अबाव 90% बंद जातलें अशें दिसता सद्याक.
तुमची कॅपेसिटी कितली आहा?
आमची कॅपेसिटी खरी 100 पूण आमी एक 10 एक्स्ट्रा मागून घेतात पूण 110 टोटल कॅपेसिटी.
ह्या वर्साक कितें आनीक वाडोवपाचें बी अशें आसा?
ना, वाडोवपा आमचे कडेन पयलें म्हणजे हांगा जागा ना. हांगा आनी जागा ना. 2 डिविजनां 2-4 डिविजनां ताजे वयर वाडोवपा शक्यता ना हांगा. तितलीच.
Rosary High School of Naveli has a capacity to absorb 616 students. Cut-off and admission capacity of Rosary College. For science stream, 70% cut-off. 4 divisions, 220 students. For commerce stream, 60% is the cut-off. 4 divisions and 220 students. For art stream, 50% is the cut-off. 2 division and 220 students. Rosary has a capacity of absorbing 66 more students in the vocational stream. But looking at the rush of the SSCE pass-outs, Rosary will also be overloaded. Principal and administrator of Rosary College opined that fate of around 250 to 300 students will be uncertain if Tsogle Higher Secondary doesn't commence its admissions. Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.